That's Thomas over there.
Aye.
Anyway, the chopper man's been good enough to let me in beside him here. He hasn't offered to let me have a go, like, but never mind.
Back on if you want, I'll just scan here.
Aye, oh well, there you go. I think I'd be better rolling the pit, I think.
Right.
I'm sort of looking into the sun, it's not actually the best place to be. Rush on the side of that one. Anyway, I think I should actually shift, get a better video. It's because it's only the one machine, not really getting time to roll it much.
Aye, I did ask him if he wanted somebody to roll, but he said it was alright, so.
Alright. I used to do all the muck raking along at the weight there.
Right.
So, on my riffle there. Well, for many years, here we are. 3 minute laps.
Here's the boss. Hello.
Hello, Joy. Do you know if Will's back yet or not?
Nah, well, he came into it in for a while.
Oh, is it? Anybody heard out from Will? How is she?
Never heard of thing.
Right.
Didn't want to phone her.
So is Willie not busy then?
Well, I don't know what his plans are. I just asked him if he went to bed. And he said aye, and that's all.
Right.
Never spoke to him again.
Right. I'm just wondering about starting mowing at Gilly Hill tomorrow to carry on. This forecast for next week looks shit.
Right.
I need to round some staff up if that's the case, and also would you be able to ring GTR to see if there's anybody that could come with them rollers if they aren't being used into Redhills?
Aye, I'll give him a phone and see what he's.
See if there's anybody.
Aye, I don't know if he will have, but we'll see what he says. I'll phone him up.
That'll do.
Yeah.
Let us know what you make out with him then.
Right. Aye, I'll just phone him just shortly then.
Okie doke, cheers Joe, a lot of stuff in there.
Aye, a fair bit. It's quite slow going, like.
Right.
But we'll get there.
Yeah.
We'll get there.
Okie doke.
Aye, no more.
Cheers Joe. Ta.
You're a wanted man.
Aye, it's always ringing. Never ever any good news on the end of it, like.
No, I wouldn't have thought so, no.
No. Where else have you been today? Just here today, or have you been?
No, I've been with Brian Temple at Charlesfield.
Alright.
Now today I'm with Brian Temple Agri Services, and the farm is Charlesfield Farm, just outside Annan. There we have the Claas Jaguar 950 and the new Massey Ferguson 7714S on alongside there. So it's going to be a busy day. There's quite a few things happening, hopefully. I'll be able to catch quite a few teams as I drive around the countryside here. It's a 7714S there on an 18 plate and a herring trailer today. And Brian Templeton with the Claas Jaguar 950. It's there for in the pit and also at Field as as well.
Alright.
And I just seen them on the rake as well, so try and catch everything. They actually got a roller on the pit as well.
Oh, they wheels of it.
And yes, it wheels on it. And they're also putting, I would have thought, chopped sugar beet in along with the silage.
Right.
When they're in silage.
Right. Well. Yeah, but I'd like to try and go with these train wheels this year and see what they're like.
Aye, well, he's not getting enough a lot of time to.
What's that, sorry?
He's not getting a lot of time to roll that pit.
No.
And because it's quite short as well.
Aye.
516 on a cane trailer there. Well, this guy must be multitasking there. Rolling the pit and putting the fodder beat in, I would expect. Anyway, I'll make that do. I think I've got all the tractors out in the field and that I'm carting at the moment, unless, as I say, there's another team working close by, also coming back to this pit, which is certainly a possibility. So for the moment, from Charlesfield Farm, near Dumfries, no, near Annan actually, near Annan in Dumfries and Galloway. Have a nice day, take care, bye just now. So who's the driver in the McCormick?
Nelson.
Nelson, aye. He's a big fan of mine, he watches all my videos, he tells me.
Oh, does he?
Aye.
Oh, wait a minute, his name's not Nelson, his name's Nick, sorry.
Sorry?
His name's Nick, actually.
Nick?
Aye, Nick, aye.
Oh, bit of bad information there.
Aye. That's the one.
So is that one of the newer McCormicks, is it?
I don't know what is that, it is.
17, is it?
17,
one of the newer ones.
aye. There's another in somewhere with a tether on it.
There's another one with a tether.
Aye.
Is that a newer one?
No, it's a wee
It's a 64, is it not?
I've no idea. Aye, I think it is. I think it's the same age as James is here.
Right.
So it is.
A new rake today as well, I believe.
Aye, new rake man and all.
I heard the other guy had left. So I'm just getting ready for the rake. I'll get the forager, it should be Badger, it's on the Case IH today. There's the Case IH Max in 140 and a Claas liner 2900. This one's also on a 64 plate.
Well, he's not left yet, but I think he's away his last day tomorrow.
Oh, right.
And the away and see if he can catch up with him for the Rollins.
Right.
That's what he's away to.
I'm just about a battery anyway, so I'll just get to the end here, that'll do it.
There'll be an interesting afternoon cart with Tommy, was it not? Thomas?
Aye, he's quite a... I actually invited me into the cabin with him there.
Right.
So, I had a good chat.
Aye.
It's nice to catch up there.
Aye.
Anyway, we'll just get to the end of this road, my battery's about goosed.
Right.
Have a word with Joe after that. See if he can advise me on anything. Is that going to happen, Joe? No?
Wouldn't have
thought so, no. So you just feel the Quite a bit of grass going through the machine, eh?
Aye, it's a fair old crop actually, aye. It's slowed me down a bit anyway. 7 mile an hour, so 7 kilometres an hour, mile an hour.
Right. Anyway, that'll do from Redhills.